friends, welcome back. Good morning, guys. Today I'm headed to the mall, but first I'm gonna make me a cup of coffee. I am using Cafe Verona today. So Verona is actually a city in Italy, and it's a magical city. I used to call it the city of love, but I absolutely loved Verona when we were living in Italy. It would be a quick train ride. Sometimes we would drive up, but they had a very, very nice shopping area. So everything you could think of. Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada, YSL, Joe Malone. I mean, anything you could think of. Golden Goose, like there was like so many stores, so many restaurants. It was very, very close to like the amphitheater, which we did, go to one day, and I'll try to insert a photo of what that looks like. But I absolutely love Verona, so I am going to reminisce this morning as I make my cup of coffee. Anywho, so today we're gonna go to the mall and go check out a few things. There's something we need to pick up, and then after that we'll probably grab lunch and then we'll head back. My favorite oat milk is Oatly, the barista edition version, and then I normally just add vanilla, teaspoon of vanilla and a teaspoon of caramel to my coffee. And yeah, I'll show you guys my bag of the day before I head out the door, but I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I hope you enjoy. So my bag of the day is the beautiful Montaigne BB, and this is in the navy blue. Unfortunately, this bag is discontinued, guys, but I don't know why. It was absolutely one of my favorite bags. Not sure why, but the Peleus Petite is, I guess, similar. But yeah, this bag was just the bomb. It has two main compartments, so 1, 2. And then it has a zip compartment. I left it unzipped just to make it easier for me to show you guys what I was carrying today. So I have my Zippy Coin purse. I had to think of the name, and this is in the Verni leather. This was a limited edition release for Valentine's Day, maybe like, I don't know, 2 years ago maybe. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It has like these really pretty, it has like, as you can see, these like, it says like love, and it has all these like hearts with little decorations on them or whatnot. But I absolutely love that that wallet. And then I'm carrying my Hermes Bostica today, and I'm just carrying change in it. That's what I use it for. I have my little mirror I got from Coach. I showed this during Vlogmas, where's my head this morning? I have my toiletry for teen that we always talk about. And then this is one of the inserts from my Felici, but it matches the bag. So I'm just carrying this, and I have some cash in here and some extra cards because I don't have a little card holder today. So that's what I'm carrying in my bag today. And then, you know, once we head out, I'll insert some footage from the mall. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you soon.